Club Mahindra coming along in our life has been a wonderful opportunity. Being a part of Club Mahindra, taking it on as an onward membership has indeed been very fulfilling because it gives us the opportunity of being across maybe 40 different locations in the country. So much to do for the family, so much to do for friends.
No, the best actually, the aspiration of any middle-aged person, maybe even senior person, who has the aspiration of having a second house in a hill station in a way out places. But then he finds it that it's just lying waste and you can't use it. And somebody has to look after, maintain it for you. Here is Club Mahindra gives you the opportunity of having right across the country. And you find it is well maintained, well looked after, you do kind of things there, it's just fun.
More importantly, you're also part of RCI,
Yeah.
which takes you across the world.
Yes.
It takes you to properties across the world thanks to Club Mahindra and RCI, of course.
And they themselves have 44 plus, I think.
40 plus
Yeah.
by club
Yeah.
and over many more by RCI.